Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Blog. So today I'm just telling about the Mphasis onboarding update. There was a information regarding the Mphasis onboarding, and after the so much time there was a information of candidate he received the mail regarding the onboarding update or joining or something like that, our documentation also. So guys, just keep in touch with this video channel. So just subscribe my channel Technical Rajput Blog and press the bell icon for more notification if you want any update regarding the Mphasis and latest update joining information. This is the mail from the company side have received by the candidate Mphasis yesterday only. Hi, we have not be able to proceed without the final degree certificate. Please reach out the college university to share it by 4th October, following which we will not be able to take your candidature forward. So guide, here is mentioned about the Mphasis onboarding update regarding the you have to submit your final degree of the certificate. If you are not able to submit your final certificate degree, then you will not get the onboarding in upcoming days or something like that. So guys, this is the reason regarding the, so there will be the last date for the 4th October. If you are failing to 4th October, then your candidature will be forwarded or they will be cancelled or rejected. So guys, just before 4th October you have to submit all your certificate, all your document, all your mark sheet till 8th semester. If you have a provisional mark sheet, then you can go and attest it from the college and just upload it on the Mphasis career portal. If you have original mark sheet, then it will be submitted as a PDF format. So as it is compulsory, because it is mandatory to mention in the instruction regarding the eligibility criteria qualification. We have to submit after the qualification of a Mphasis exam. You have to submit all the mark sheet and the provisional certificate of a degree. So guys, we will not able to. So guys, and there was an information regarding that this is the mail because company is going to be taking the background verification very tightly, because after the session of July there was a many candidate who have just received the rejection mail due to the documentation problem and background verification. So guys, just complete all the formalities before the joining date of 4th October, because after the 4th October there will be the onboarding updated regarding the new batch joining. Most probably if I get any update regarding the Mphasis, then I will just inform you. So thank you guys for watching this video.